Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to change and how to add a glitch effect onto your PNG file design. So the way to do that, you just need to open your Canva and then insert the design that you are want to adding a glitch effect. For me, I have this Canva text, this one. The way to do that, you just need to duplicate this design 3 times like this and change the color from each words, because for glitch effect there was a 3 different color onto it. The first one is a pink, and the second one is blue, and the third one is black. So the way to create it onto your design, first click this PNG file type design and then go to effects and click duotone, and for this one I'm going to change it onto a pink color. So go to this pink side. Okay, I'm going to put it on this side, click done, and then for the shadow, changing onto a same color as the previous color like this. When it's done, as you can see, it's already changing onto a different color from the beginning, from the first text, like that. And now go to the second text, as same as the previous one, go to the duotone and changing the color onto a blue color. That's the second color that was on a glitch effect 3 grading color, the grading color. Okay, the second part, changing it onto a blue color like this, and for the shadow, as same as the highlight, you need to change it onto the blue color like this. And now the third part, click it, change it onto a black color. It's the last color on a glitch grading color, just like this. And now you just need to put this blue color on top of this pink color and have this position onto it. As you can see, there's a small amount of a pink color behind the blue color like this. And now the next part, you need to you need to put the black color on top of this two layer of color. And there you have it. As you can see, it's already have this glitch effect. So if you want to create it more, you can click the black color and then click the transparency, decrease the transparency onto 70. Okay, let me just type it just like that. And now there you have it. As you can see, your text has already, or your design has already have this effect onto it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.